welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are going on vacation in this vlog. Okay, I want this to be a nice, peaceful summer vlog. Okay, so I just got dressed. I'm waiting on my mom to come back home, but I'm gonna give y'all an outfit of the day, what I'm wearing, where it's from, because I really like this fit. It's a very cool vibe out travel fit. Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all an outfit of the day. Hold on one second. All right, so I'm gonna give y'all an outfit of the day. Yes, I'm in my bathroom because this is the only cute place really. Okay, so these earrings are from my mom. These glasses are from Shein. These bracelets are from Once Upon a Child. They were only $1.99 a piece. I got this two-piece set from Walmart. Yes, it's actually a two-piece set, but I don't like my stomach showing, so it's a two-piece set. So it was $14. Then my Marc Jacob from my cousin Jessica. And then my beats. Shout out to Giro, because that's where my beats are from. And then I'm wearing my white Crocs from the Crocs store. So that is my outfit of the day. And it's very cool, chillax, you know, look. So I'm gonna get a little thumbnail for y'all. But that's what's going on today, guys. Okay. I'm going on a cruise, vacation or whatever, and I know I was supposed to give y'all a dorm haul, but I decided not to do a dorm haul because it's pointless when I'm gonna give y'all a dorm tour right after, you see. So I'm gonna do a move-in vlog. I come back on Thursday and I move in on Saturday, so I have to finish packing everything. I'm probably gonna wear this same look for moving day, so mind your business. You ain't see this. You ain't see this. Okay. So yeah, this is the look. This is what I'm going for. And I'm just showing y'all my cruise or whatever, my little fits. Do a nice little outfit of the day every day. And of course y'all gonna see my mama. One second, y'all. She calling. Hey guys, so we are at a truck stop. I'm tired. I know y'all probably like, girl, we tired of seeing you wearing these glasses, but listen, it go with the fit. I'm not about to be wearing these glasses every week this week. It just goes with the aesthetic for today, okay? But look at my nails. I got my nails done by Natalie. I got some short white nails, and I got my feet done the exact same way, but I'm not gonna show y'all them because they need some lotion. But y'all, I don't know what time it is. Let me see what time it is. It's 10:07. I'm so sleepy. That's my bed right there, y'all. And then that's my second bag over there. But my mama bag's in the truck. But y'all, I'm so sleepy, guys. Like, so sleepy. But y'all, I'm so excited. I'm really sleepy, but I'll catch y'all back up when we either at the terminal or shopping. I don't know yet. So bye, guys. No, this is a whole different boat. Like we always on. I'm fine, thank you. I just ordered my dinner. Super excited. Something wrong with my mother. She keeps crying about her tooth. Don't really know what's wrong with him. Your straw is melting. Locations, but tomorrow we're going to swim with the dolphins. So excited, and we have to wake up at like 6 something in the morning, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to vlog that time because I'm gonna be tired. I might do a little makeup then, but who knows. So this is how I look. I will give y'all an outfit. Let me see if I can see my full outfit, y'all. Hold on. Y'all, so I'm gonna give y'all an update. I just got back from dinner. This is my beat. I did not show y'all my makeup or nothing because I had to rush because I had to iron my dress. This is a little dress I'm wearing. I got it from Goodwill. It was originally my mom's, but this is mine now. And I paired it real cute with the tennis necklace, tennis rings, black shoes. I was gonna do white, but the white shoes I had I didn't like. But you know, we have more fits coming. So tomorrow I think I'm gonna be done vlogging unless I go out like back out. But tomorrow we're gonna swim with the dolphins. Yes, we're swimming with dolphins, so we're gonna be on the most prettiest beach ever. So I'm gonna show y'all how that goes. I have to wake up tomorrow around 6. So all I gotta say is y'all gonna love this freaking vlog. It is lit.
You think I despise you, but in the end, I wanna thank you. You made me that much stronger. When I thought I knew you, thinking that you were true.
So guys, I'm currently out here eating some pizza. It's like 4 o'clock in the day. This is my view, by the way. Hopefully y'all saw that. This is my view. I'm just out here eating some pizza. I eat dinner around 6. I'm bored, so I just decided to discover all the parts of the shop. So yeah, I will show y'all me playing mini golf, but it might be embarrassing. So yeah. So guys, we are at dinner now. I'm here early because I want to sit by the window. What's under my eye? Did I scratch it? Anyway, y'all, we're here early. And I got brought you a cookie bag. This is nasty, mama. It's not sweet. You're not gonna like it. I'm gonna like it. It's not sweet. This is no. That is nasty straight. It's my view, y'all. I'm just sitting in the window watching the air, like always. But this is my view. And this is what my mama come back with. She over here. She left her cup. Ma, you don't have a straw. Oh, she got a chocolate straw, y'all. Oh, she fancy. Oh, she fancy. Okay. I'm about to go get me a little something to drink. But, yeah, y'all. That's a little bit. I'm going to taste it. She don't know it yet, but I'm going to taste it. So, guys, it's like 12 o'clock right now. And we're about to chill on the beach some more. But we leave around 1 o'clock. So, that's going to be that. And then after, I think I'm going to just relax for a minute. I'm going to shower and change into a different outfit for the rest of the day. So that's gonna be the vibes. my vibe right now. I'm just relaxing, chilling. It's not too hot out here. It's really breezy and the water is so beautiful. So I'm on cloud nine right now. This is my view with my umbrella. And this is me. The next day, and I'm eating lunch. I didn't feel well yesterday, but I feel a little better, so I'm eating me some lunch. I have me a burrito with steak, chicken, lettuce, rice, black bean, and jalapenos. I made it off the ship, you guys. I lived. I lived. Man, where's my mother? This is from the cruise walk. I'm still in Jacksonville. However, I'm doing shopping now, and I'm getting some fruit snacks. I'm not sure which ones I want to get because, you know, I love fruit snacks, and they hit. Oh wow, they have a great selection in here, guys. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got later on.